In the world of AI, one word appears everywhere. Train a model, run a model, deploy a model, fine-tune a model. But what exactly is a model? Is it a program? Is it an algorithm? Is it some kind of digital brain? Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI series, where we learn what's really happening under the hood of artificial intelligence. In this video, we are going to clearly understand what a model actually is, how it learns from data, and why models are the core of modern AI systems. By the end of this video, the word model will finally make a complete sense. Let's start with the simplest definition. An AI model is a mathematical system that learns patterns from data so it can make predictions or decisions. Think of it like this: input, model, output. The model sits in the middle. For example, email, model, spam or not spam. Image, model, cat or dog. House size, model, predicted price. The model receives some input, processes it using patterns it learned earlier, and produces an output. That's the basic role of model. So, why do we need a model at all? Because many real-world problems are too complex for manual rules. Imagine trying to write rules to detect spam emails. You would have to write thousands of conditions like if email contains certain words, if the sender looks suspicious, if there are many links. But spam constantly changes. Instead of manually writing rules, we let the system learn patterns from data. We give it many examples: spam emails, normal emails. The system studies those examples and learns what spam looks like. That learned pattern system becomes the model. So instead of programming intelligence manually, we let the model learn intelligence from data. Let's look at the simple example. Suppose we want to predict house prices. We collect some data: house size, price. A model studies these examples and learns the relationship between size and price. Now, when we give the model a new input, the model predicts a price. The model don't memorize every house. Instead, it discovered a pattern connecting size and price. That learned relationship is the model. So, what exactly exists inside a model? At its core, a model contains parameters. Parameters are numbers that store the patterns that model has learned. You can think of parameters as adjustable knobs inside the system. During training, the model adjusts these numbers until its prediction becomes more accurate. Small models might have 10 parameters or a few hundred. Large modern AI models can have billions of parameters. For example, large language models used in modern chatbots are built using deep neural networks with massive number of parameters. Those parameters store the patterns that model learned from enormous datasets. There are many different types of AI models. Some common ones include linear regression, decision trees, support vector machines, neural networks. Each model learns patterns in a different way. For example, a linear regression model learns relationship between numbers. A decision tree model learns rule-like structures to make decisions. A neural network model learns complex patterns using multiple layers of computation. Later in this series, we will explore several of these models step by step. But the core idea stays the same. A model learns patterns from data. Let's build the final mental model. Think of a model as a patterns learning machine. During training, the model studies large amounts of data and adjusts its internal parameters to capture patterns. After training, the model can take new inputs and make predictions based on those learned patterns. So the full process looks like this: data, model learns patterns, model makes predictions. Every modern AI system works like this: image recognition systems, recommendation systems, speech recognition, language models. All of them rely on models that learn patterns from data. Now you understand what an AI model really is. It's not magic, it's not a thinking machine. It's a mathematical system that learns patterns from data. But this raises an important question. How does a model actually learn those patterns? How do we teach a model? In the next video, we'll explore one of the most important ideas in AI: training versus inference. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.